Hello everyone. Now that you have RubyPi installed, I'll show you its functions. So if when you go to reload or start up your Pi or to reboot it, it'll automatically load up the Pi main menu, or RubyPi main menu. So we have Ruby Boot, Ruby Tools, and then for Ruby developers, we have the IRB. We also have a help menu here, which you can go into and access. Everything's pretty much self-explanatory. So, first to do, before we go into Ruby Boot, let's pull up Ruby Tools. Here, we have the update utility. So instead of having to do sudo apt-get update and upgrade, all we have to do here is in the Ruby tool menu, type in update, and it will go through the process. We can also enter the Raspberry config and the RetroPie setup window here, all in one spot. So you don't have to change your directories to try to access anything. You can do it all right here. As you can see, we'll just go ahead and pull it up. So there it is. Exit back out. One thing that I still need to figure out and work with is to keep where it'll bring back the menu. But I do have the option when you type in menu, it'll bring it right back up. So again, this is still beta phase, so it's still a little tinkering I need to do with it. But for everything else, you can update your firmware and your operating systems right here. Go into the Raspberry config, the RetroPie setup. You can check your disk space, your memory use, check your memory split, your CPU temperature, your memory information, all in one tool right here. Go into Ruby Boot. You can boot into your desktop if you have it, which if you don't, that's fine. You just ignore that. But you can also boot into RetroPie Emulation Station, press 2, or you can boot right into Kodi right here. And you can also reboot your Pi if you need to. So we'll go ahead and boot up into the desktop first. There you have it. Log out. We will log out, see if that fixed yet. There we go. Now it's working. We'll bring up Ruby Boot again. And then this time we're going to go right into RetroPie. We're going to go back in. Bring back the Ruby Boot. Bring up the Ruby Boot. This time we're going to boot right into Kodi. There you go. These are the basic functions of it. Again, I tried to keep this as user-friendly to new Pi users as much as I could. But there you have it. I hope you all enjoy it, and you can find my email address listed in the README file after you download all the scripts from the GitHub. So if there's any bugs or anything that you want to add to it, please shoot me an email. Until then, y'all have a good one.